Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes C-Class wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality products and service. The BONOSS forged FT cooling Mercedes C-Class wheel spaces have global pattern FT cooling design. The BONOSS forged FT cooling Mercedes C-Class wheel spaces are designed with heat extraction grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute and pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when rotated. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. And the BONOSS Mercedes C-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two type materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, the other is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And match ISO grade 10 lug nut. The matching inside the lug nut uses 40 chrome material by continuously forging process. And ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. The matching wheel studs use SEM 440 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 HGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the wheel spacers in 1 to 3 days at practice. You can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and PCD-CV composition. BONOSS has a complete Mercedes C-Class wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics systems to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case have exceeded 10,000 times. We have dry supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. All BONOSS Mercedes C-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Mercedes C-Class wheel spacers and make the wheel spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS will pass your view.